Welcome back to Customs Unlimited, your #1 destination for top-rated and most trusted automotive lighting upgrades. I'm James, and today we're going to be talking about our built in the USA plug-and-play harnesses. These make installing lighting on your build easy, regardless of the amount of wiring experience you may have. And they're compatible with the most popular domestic makes and models, plus come pre-tapped and ready to hook up any 5 amp or less lighting accessory. It simply plugs into the back of your headlights and then into your headlight harness. And any lighting accessory you connect to the plug-and-play harness will power on with the headlight circuit. Our customers choose our plug-and-play harness to power our most popular upgrades, which is our built in the USA Valance light kit and rocker running light kit. And if you want to install both, we call that the ultimate duo. In order to install both kits, you're going to need a plug-and-play harness for each headlight in each kit. Luckily, you got 2 headlights. Let's talk about how to find the right plug-and-play harness for you and your build. The first thing you want to identify is if your headlights are halogen or LED. If they look like this and are dull and orange, then they're probably halogens. If they instead have this pure white modern look, usually accompanied by a DRL, then they're LEDs. There is one exception though. The Ram reflector headlight has a DRL but halogen lights, so those are considered halogen lights. Luckily, we make sure to note those exceptions on our website to make it easier for you. Next, you want to pay close attention to the description when ordering your plug-and-play harness. These manufacturers make mid-year, generational, and small adjustments that can require a completely new design of our plug-and-play harness. That is why when you shop with the correct LED or halogen choice and the correct year, you'll be guaranteed to get the perfect plug-and-play harness that'll fit your vehicle. Now let's talk functionality. There are slight differences in how our plug-and-play harness operates depending on the headlight circuit it's installed on. If it's installed on a halogen headlight, it's going to be tapped through the parking lights. What that means is if you turn your headlights off, the parking lights will remain on along with the lighting accessory. If you turn the headlights completely off, the lighting accessory will also turn off. When it comes to the LED headlights, the DRLs are designed to be on all the time as long as the truck is on or in accessory mode. What that means is that if you turn off your headlights, the lighting accessory will still be on. Even if you go into the cab and turn off your DRLs, the lighting circuit is still getting power, and so will your lighting accessory. Knowing all this information, you'll know what plug-and-play harness will work for you and how it'll operate once it's installed. Order your next lighting upgrade like our built in the USA Valance light kit and rocker running light kit on customsunlimited.com. And don't forget to add a plug-and-play harness to make install quick and easy.